Transactor Cloud is a service used by dental labs to record and process their work online. The service also allows practices and dentists to log in and access their orders and history, as well as submit new orders for approval. Users can connect via a web browser or our client app on Windows or Mac. Logging in via a web browser or the client app is simple. In both cases, the user must provide their email address and password. Once these are entered, they are then sent a one-time authentication code via email or text message, which they must enter. This is called two-factor authentication. This ensures access to your data is secure. Once the code has been entered, the user is shown all the apps they have access to. Click on an app to open it. Here, we're going to log in as Bexhill Dental, which is a group of dentists. When a practice or group user logs in, they will be presented with a list of available dentists. Double-click on one of them to select that dentist to work with. You can always view the list of dentists again by clicking on the Dentists button on the toolbar. Once you have the dentist selected on the main form, you can view their orders, bring up previous orders onto the main form, print to your local printers, add attachments and messages, as well as submit new orders for the lab to review. To create a new order, click the New Job button. You will see a new job has been created and given a job number at the top right. Use the arrow keys or your mouse to highlight a line item and press Enter or double-click to edit the line, or add a new line. First, enter the patient reference and any other important details. Open the prescription line and add a description of the work required. Add any attachments by clicking the green plus symbol above the attachments area, and add messages by clicking the green plus symbol above the general notes area. Finally, book the job in as a pre-booked job for the lab to review. The lab will receive notifications of new jobs, attachments and notes automatically. Likewise, this practice user will receive notifications of job updates, attachments and notes via the counter on the toolbar. Here, the flashing notification counter indicates the lab has performed an action. We can click on the counter to view what's come in. Double-click on a notification to bring that job onto the main form. You can delete a notification by highlighting the row and pressing the Delete key on the keyboard. You can send and receive messages with the lab to confirm details. The practice, or the lab, can request a pickup and this will appear in the notifications list, as well as the messages box, and the location of the job. You can review your historical jobs by clicking the History button on the toolbar at the top of the form. From here you can double-click an order to bring it onto the main form. Print job documents using the Print Send button. Or you can use the Report menu to produce monthly statements and summary invoices. You can also bring jobs up onto the form if you know the job number, by typing it into the job number box and pressing Return.